Hello, I'm in a 2012 F-150 and today I'm going to show you how to activate your four-wheel drive versus two-wheel drive. So while the vehicle's on and it's parked, you don't want to shift these around while you're driving. You want to be in a parked position. Right now it's in the two-wheel drive high, so it'd be power going through your rear two wheels. And if you want to switch it to the others while parked, you'll just pull this up towards you and twist. So now it's in four-wheel high. And you can also see a confirmation of this on the dash. So as you flip it, it's letting you know it's switching around. So this is your four-wheel low, four-wheel high, and your two-wheel high. So these two-wheel and four-wheel, typically you'd have them on if you're going to be doing like faster speeds, like on the highway. Usually, depending on what you're towing in the road conditions, you might tow in like two-wheel high. If you're need four-wheel drive, but you're not going to be going to fast speeds, so like say you need to tow in a four-wheel mode, this would be probably what I would use. But if you're going to be doing a lot of highway driving and there's nothing getting pulled, you might need ideally one of these two. And then push it in when you're done. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.